Welcome to the NotifyGenie AI by MageNative demo video. Let's guide you through the process of creating push notifications using the powerful NotifyGenie AI by MageNative. But before that, let us tell you the most important feature of our notification. In our MageNative app, you get the option for text as well as image to make notification more clickable. It can be generated using AI. Let's get started. In the dashboard section, you will see push notification. Here, you can see options like sent, scheduled, draft, and automation. Click on Add New Notification. Here, you will get the option for NotifyGenie AI by MageNative. As you click on NotifyGenie AI by MageNative, you get the option to write your prompts. You get examples of prompts as well. Based on examples, you can write the prompt. Next, you need to choose the tone. There are multiple options which include exciting, urgent, enthusiastic, motivating, quirky. Once done, click on Generate. You will see the AI-generated option, which includes the title and message along with the image now. Click on Submit. You can also make changes to your images. You can add content, overlay content, bold text, as well as set content color. Once it's complete, click on Done. You will see the title, message, and images are updated automatically. You can also see real-time updates on mobile UI. Once you are satisfied, click on Continue. In the next section, you can choose link with options which include collection, custom pages, native pages, product, web view link for outside app. For example, we selected a collection option in this and then chose the collection we want to link. After this, we need to select users. You have the option from advanced targeting and all users. Then you can choose the device from select device option. You have an option between Android, iOS, or both now. Click Continue. In the next step, you need to choose the sending option, send now option, schedule option, draft option. Once selected, click on Send. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a push notification using NotifyGenie AI by MageNative. Thank you for watching this demo. Happy notifying!